Hello everyone, in this presentation we are going to understand how a wall cleaning mechanism is going to cover the entire plane of the wall. Here we are mimicking the wall as this particular board environment. So this board environment is segmented into 24 segments. Each segment is a 15 cross 15 segment. So 15 centimeter cross 15 centimeter segment. So here we are going to make a mechanism. So this is what the wall cleaning mechanism, which is going to cover the entire area of the wall vertically from the location 1 to location 24. So the sequence here is, so now the cleaning mechanism is in the location number 1. So this is location number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it goes horizontally to the 7th location, and then it comes up vertically to the 12th location. And then it goes horizontally to the 13th location. It goes down vertically to the 18th location. And it moves horizontally towards right to the 19th location. From 19th location it goes to the final place, which is 24th location. So the first step is whether the cleaning mechanism is going to cover the entire plane is the objective. So that is being demonstrated now. So slowly the cleaning mechanism is moving from the location 1 to location 2, and then from location 2 to the location 3. So gradually it's going from the top to bottom from the location 1 to location 3 now. Now it is in the location 3. So there are through thread mechanism here. So these through thread mechanisms are helping the corresponding wall cleaning mechanism to move from the first location to the 6th location vertically. So the mechanism here is, there are two pivotal points. There is one pivot point here. So one thread is connected to the left motor in the top, another thread is connected to the right motor in the top. So by properly adjusting the corresponding threads, we are able to make the wall cleaning mechanism to move in all the places. Now after cleaning the 6th point, then from the 7th location to the 12th segment, it is going up vertically. So and it is going horizontally from the 12th location to the 13th location. So from the 13th grid point, it goes down slowly to the 18th location. Vertically it is moving downwards. So the entire control is the rope connected between the top left motor and the top right motor. So these motor threads making the cleaning mechanism to move from first location to 24th location. Now the cleaning mechanism has reached the 19th location, and it is trying to complete the final vertical part from 19th location to 24th location. And when it reaches 24th location, the entire area of this wall is being touched by this cleaning mechanism. So this is the first prototype model here, which gives us confidence that so the wall cleaning mechanism is going to touch the entire area of the cleaning space, which is segmented into 24 segments. So 6 segments means each segment is 15 centimeter. So 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet height, and then 2 feet breadth. So a wall with 2 feet breadth and 3 feet height can be cleaned. So in our case, it is a board which is going to be cleaned, or which is going to be rubbed, or whatever it is. That is going to be our next step. So right now, this experiment helps us to understand. So the cleaning mechanism is able to cover the entire 3 cross 2 feet or 24 segments in a plane. Thank you very much.